High net worth divorce in Chicago. When a marriage involves substantial wealth, the divorce process becomes far more complex than a typical case. A high net worth divorce in Chicago generally means the marital estate includes significant assets and income streams that require specialized valuation. Couples may own luxury homes, investment portfolios, closely held businesses, executive compensation packages, or trusts, and each category must be analyzed under Illinois law. Under 750 ILCS 5/500, courts classify property as marital or non-marital and then divide it equitably, which does not always mean equally. Assets acquired before marriage, inheritances, and property excluded by prenuptial agreements are generally non-marital, but commingling can convert them into marital property. The classification process is vital because commingled funds or appreciation during the marriage can change the status of property. An experienced divorce lawyer will help trace assets and demonstrate each spouse's contributions to protect your interests. Courts look at contributions to the marital estate, the length of the marriage, each spouse's earning capacity, and future financial needs when dividing property. A spouse who sacrificed a career to support family life may receive a larger share of the estate to offset reduced earning capacity. Business interests often need expert evaluation because they can be a major source of wealth, and courts use income, market, and asset approaches to determine fair value. A divorce attorney typically works with forensic accountants and business valuation experts to ensure that the valuation reflects true worth and to challenge unreasonable estimates. Hidden assets and waste of marital funds are serious concerns because some spouses try to conceal wealth through offshore accounts or transfers. Illinois law requires full financial disclosure, and failing to provide accurate information can result in sanctions or fee awards. Courts can award a larger share of the remaining estate to an innocent spouse if the other dissipated marital funds after the relationship deteriorated. Spousal maintenance, sometimes called alimony, supports a lower-earning spouse and is determined by statutory guidelines or, when the couple's combined income exceeds $500,000, by consideration of various factors. Factors include each spouse's income, property, needs, earning capacity, the standard of living during the marriage, and the duration of the marriage. Illinois courts may award fixed-term, reviewable, or indefinite maintenance depending on the circumstances. Tax implications can significantly affect settlement decisions because capital gains taxes reduce the real value of investments and real estate, and retirement accounts must be divided carefully to preserve tax-deferred status. Since 2019, maintenance payments in new divorces are no longer tax-deductible to the payer or taxable to the recipient, so couples often structure settlements with these rules in mind. Prenuptial agreements governed by the Illinois Uniform Premarital Agreement Act allow couples to define separate and marital property and predetermine maintenance rights. A valid prenup must be voluntary, supported by full financial disclosure, and fair when signed. Courts will not enforce provisions that determine child custody or support. High net worth divorces usually take longer than simple cases because complex assets need to be valued and discovery can be extensive, sometimes lasting 1 to 2 years. Choosing the right law firm is essential because high-asset divorces demand experience and resources. A knowledgeable lawyer can safeguard your interests and guide you through each step of the process. Family businesses can be divided by a buyout, sale and division of proceeds, or continued co-ownership under set terms. These cases can be expensive, with legal and expert fees ranging from tens of thousands to several $100,000, so mediation or negotiation may reduce costs. Working with a skilled legal professional who understands the financial and legal complexities of high net worth divorce can help protect your rights and minimize conflict. Caesar & Bender, LLP is a Chicago-based law firm with nearly 50 years of combined experience handling high-asset divorces, and their team collaborates with valuation experts, appraisers, and tax professionals to build comprehensive financial pictures and advocate for fair property division. To discuss your high net worth divorce with an attorney who understands Illinois law and complex financial holdings, call Caesar & Bender, LLP at 312-236-1500 or visit their office at 150 North Michigan Avenue number 2130, Chicago, Illinois, 60601, United States.